So our venture is fishing today, and that's a little small dam right there. Been a long time coming around here. You want to take a shit? Noodle right there. Yes, I got it. It's like a little island. So long I've been here. I was like a little child. Love you, Dad, but yeah. Look at that scene in Wisconsin. As you see my shirt. And my hair's like that too. He's walking through it like, yes sir. We ain't got no net. Unhook it like.
That shit gonna bite me, that shit hurt.
So we down the stream right now. We're gonna try this last part. It's like a whole bunch of iron right here. See people right there just doing right there fishing. I will fish, but I ain't got my license, fishing license. Oh, it's a church right there. You hear that? Is that the moon? Yes, sir. That's the moon. I think that's the fire station right there. Stay tuned. How many you got? For real? I ain't that old. So right here, they changed everything. Used to be gravel and road rocks. This is where I got hunted.
Yeah, I remember.
I got hunted around this spot. What's it called again?
Casey Park.
Yeah, there you go. But us, we keep going through though, farther than this part.
Here's right there, road right there. That's gravel. Continue.
Is it still muddy? Gravel rocks?
Yeah.
No way.
No, I don't think so.
Let me go check. I'm gonna go check. All right, stay tuned, guys. Hunting, my hunting story, or we got hunted, me and my cuz. I think it was like, I was like 12, 13, 14. But yeah, back to my hunting spot.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, roll this up. It's been like 20 years, 20, 30 years. I didn't been there.
Fisher push, I guess.
The one.